Welcome. This is a 10-minute gentle morning yoga stretch to help wake up the body for the day ahead. Let's begin seated. We'll begin circulating the head, so warming up the spine, feeling out all the clicks and ticks, observing the body. And we'll rotate opposite direction. Coming back to center, we'll make a fist with both hands and begin to circulate the wrists. Release. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, release the hands back down to your sides. And we'll continue moving with the breath. Inhale, reach. Exhale, release. Inhale, reach. Exhale, release. Inhale, reach. And this time we're going to exhale, taking a twist towards the left. Right hand on the left knee, left hand in back. Sitting nice and tall, lifting through the sternum. Soften the shoulders. And we'll inhale, hands back up overhead. Exhale, twisting towards the right. Once again, sitting tall, lengthening through the spine. Soften the shoulders. We'll inhale, release, back to center. Take a moment, just finding a swaying motion. So just rocking side to side, very gentle movement. And we'll go ahead and bend the left knee, straightening the right leg, flexing into that right foot, so pressing into the right heel, allowing the left knee to fall open. Remove the flesh from your seat so you're nice and grounded into the sit bones. On an exhale, begin to hinge forward till you feel the stretch. We'll take a few slow inhales. Slow exhales. Release, switching sides, straightening the left leg, bending that right knee and just allowing the right knee to fall open. Once again, folding forward, hinging at the hips, leading with the chest, stopping wherever you feel that stretch. And we'll release, hugging the knees towards the chest. And gently leaning back, begin to rock the knees side to side. Seeing how low you can get the knees, rolling over the glutes, the outer hips. When you're ready, come to your knees, hands reaching forward, forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat for child's pose. Softening the shoulders and the upper back with each exhale. And now drawing the breath into the belly and really expanding the belly, expanding the lower back. So feeling the waistband of your pants getting tighter with each in-breath. Exhale, allowing the hips to be really heavy. No clenching in the toes or the feet. We'll begin to round up one vertebrae at a time. Let the head come up last. Take your time here. On an inhale, drawing the chest forward, taking your gaze up. On the exhale, rounding through the spine, gaze down. Continue syncing breath with movement. Release, coming to tabletop, tucking the toes and sit the hips on your heels, reaching the hands forward and grounding into the hands to press your hips down towards the heels. Option to rock side to side. We'll release, untuck the toes. Sit the hips back down. We'll inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.